Hi guys, welcome to Planner Cookie Mama. Today Amelia, my 5-year-old daughter, is going to be planning in my Erin Condren. So this is actually an older Erin Condren. I've gone back, because I haven't been using it, I've gone back and just white-outed all the dates and stuff so that she can use it from the beginning. Now the kit that she's going to be using is a unicorn kit from this shop here on Etsy. It's a printable. The reason I'm not saying it is because I don't know how to say it. So I'll show this and I will link it in the description down below. And what I'm going to do now is I am just going to let Amelia go ahead and start planning. So on you go, missus.
So let's just move this for a start. Okay. So first I need to kneel up because this is kind of hard for me.
I told you you'd be too far down.
Yeah. I'm kind of too far down. So Mom's gonna. This is my first time doing it in a long time because of this coronavirus. So, well, not because of the coronavirus. I don't know what I'm saying.
Right guys, well that's Amelia has finished placing down the main body of the plans, the kit. I have some little bits that I need to put down. I said I would do the sidebar. So I'm going to take this unicorn. Let me just close this over just now. This unicorn up the top here. Alright guys, so as always, thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Amelia's coming to say goodbye now as well.
Bye bye.
So are you going to thank everybody for watching your video?
Thank you for watching my another video in a long time.
Yeah, thank you for watching the first video in a long time. I will leave a link in the description down below to the kit that we used and to One Crafty Country Girl as always. And until next time, happy planning guys. Bye.